Hey, Philip, sorry. How you doing?
Hi. Good. How are you?
I'm doing wonderful, thanks. How's are you settling back into things nicely at the moment?
Yeah. I'm just working normally now, so it's a little bit less hectic than it was. So all good again.
Okay, great. That's good to hear. That's good to hear. So, yeah, I mean, without further ado, let's sort of dive straight into things. I want
Hmm.
to touch on meta descriptions quickly, Web3 development, and then also um one more thing. SEO enhancements. That's the one. Okay, cool.
Hmm.
So first
Hmm.
things first, I'd like to apologize for the not getting the meta descriptions over to you by now. I know we told you on Thursday that we'd get it over to you, but there was some
Hmm.
miscommunication between the team and that wasn't put on the task list, but it is now, and you should see that by the end of the day today or tomorrow for the latest. We'll get that over to you as soon as possible. And then in
Hmm.
regards to Web3 development, we did a little bit of research, and for starters, the for the exact term Web3 development, the search
Hmm.
volume is quite low. In the UK, it's only 10 people per month, and the keyword difficulty is
Hmm.
71. So
Hmm.
that means it would be quite tough to rank for. So I just wanted to ask if you could maybe explain your thinking behind that a little bit more, and maybe we can then do additional research to see if there's any other keywords we can sort of rank for, I guess.
Hmm. Hmm. Sure. Um, it's all related basically to Web3 games, blockchain, these kind of things. That's where we kind of have the combination of uh, having a strong blockchain team, having a strong game development team as well. So we do get these leads occasionally, but and we have sometimes we get a lead when they say like, yeah, we're looking for Web3 developers. But it's possible that they use different search terms, or maybe these people are slightly more educated, so they might go to Clutch or something like that. I do not know exactly what the behavior is. I can try to ask when we have these leads like that. We have couple of these per month, so it's not too much, but it's very relevant to us. So that's why I asked about that.
Okay, cool. Yeah, because I was thinking you already have blockchain development and then you also have game development. Do they sort of come through those two brackets when people do come to you for Web3 development?
Um, it's possible. I haven't really asked, but I'll just what I'll probably do in the next couple of weeks is ask the clients how they found us, and kind of like what they typed in, so I have something a bit more um, from them. But it's probably going to be from these landing pages. I would assume.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Perfect. Would you like us to do a little bit of additional research, maybe get something together for you so you can see what the best terms are, maybe? Or
Yeah,
do you
that would
would
be
you like
perfect. Yeah, in this area of gaming and all the blockchain and Web3 stuff, if you can have a look and maybe recommend something, that would be great.
Okay, great. Perfect. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions in relation to Web3 development then?
Sure.
Cool. So how do I phrase this? What specific aspects are okay, no, that's I've already sort of got an answer for that. Um, is there a specific blockchain platform that you would be looking to use? Ethereum, Polkadot, Bitcoin, Cardano, NFTs, anything specific, or is it very broad in that regard?
Um, I think it would be the best if you can maybe like list these questions for me, so I can hand it over to the guys, to the dev team, and they can probably answer it for me, so we don't have to torture ourselves with this now, because I'm probably not going to have all the answers as well. So it's probably best if I can share with them.
Okay, cool. Yeah, perfect. I'll definitely get that over to you right after this meeting. And then, yeah, the
Mhm.
last thing to touch on from our side is the SEO enhancements, because as you know, we are looking at your service pages, everything from content to technical SEO.
Mhm.
And yeah, we're basically still working on that, and we aim to have this done by the middle of next week for the latest. obviously
Hmm.
preferably before, but that's the rough timeline that we have in our heads at the moment. So yeah,
Hmm.
that's what we're currently working on right
Hmm. I have three things. Or two things mainly. I was in touch with Deepak regarding the branding, so I just want to make a decision probably in the next couple of days or today, if that's going to be valuable for us. I have two things. One is about there was some slight decrease in the clicks, so I was waiting if you can get some sort of feedback for me on that. I have also noticed that I got some alerts about some declines for different keywords. So it would be good if you can have a look into that for me, so I don't have to dig deeper. But I basically got some alert last, I think it was yesterday or Friday. In that report that I got as well was that basically we should working the like a recommendation or quick win. We should working the changes on the page. I'm not sure if the decrease was related to the changes we have made on the website because we have just basically finished most of the on-site changes where we have been changing meta descriptions or titles and different things on these pages, which we did on Wednesday, I think last week or something like that. So I think it would be good if someone can have a look into that um, and get back to me because I think that there was in one of your emails last week was that someone's looking into that, but I don't think I've heard back with something specific. Just one thing. Second thing is a strategy. Um, I got two documents. One of them says it's AI driven. It seems like I'm gonna read through it. It's very long. It seems to be all AI generated. So it all seems really vague. I did not manage to read through it whole. I will probably get a few comments. I'll try to do it today. Uh, I do not know how to phrase it better, but it seemed a little lazy or AI generated as a whole. So the strategy that I got from you now seemed quite generic and that I think it could be used. So probably what I'm going to do with this topic is just please expect that I'm gonna read through it properly because I just scanned through it last week. But I'm gonna take my time and do it today. I'll probably get back to you with some concerns slash asking someone to have a deeper look into that or have a second look into that. So that's probably gonna happen. Happen later today. Um, yeah, that's basically it from my end. I haven't read it properly, to be fair, but I will, and I'll probably ask. I'll probably ask to be a bit more specific, or I don't know who worked on it, but I'll probably there's going to be a request from me probably to someone senior to have a look into that and try to think a little bit more about that.
Yeah, yeah, of course. Is that second comment in regards to GEO or GSE? Basically generative search engine optimization. It's like ranking in ChatGPT and Claude and so on. Is that what you're referring to?
I got two documents. Yeah, I got two documents. Both of these things seemed. There was one which says like the following months, and there was another one that said basically something about this optimization. Um, Both of these, I haven't read the long one. To be completely honest, I just scanned through that. But especially the one with the following months, I do appreciate that usually when we have these debates, I got some sort of feedback of okay, there was this decrease, so we're gonna do that. There was this increase. In the last couple of weeks, I don't think that we've been in let's say 1 or 2 weeks, and I know these positions go up and down, so I don't take it too heavily. But I would probably was expecting slightly a bit more from that strategy document with the upcoming months. But basically, from what if I remember correctly, it mostly said like we're going to continue doing link building and we're going to optimize the on-page factors, which kind of is generic. So, but that's just a heads up that I'll read through it today again. I'll just write down a few comments and I'll send it over your way. So I'll be asking for someone to have a look into that. So
Okay,
yeah,
awesome. Okay, cool.
yep.
Cool. Okay, so you're referring to the plan of action. Okay, cool. Yeah,
Yeah,
once you
yeah,
have a
yeah,
read
yeah,
through
yeah.
that, yeah, let us know the comments. I'll also have a look through that and just go through it actually and just review it, I guess. And then in
Mhm.
regards to the decrease in clicks and impressions, I'll have someone look into that definitely. We did notice that
Okay.
the clicks decrease or maybe the impressions, I'm not sure, maybe I'm getting the two mixed up. But a large part of them were the blogs that we put up last month. They were
Yeah.
getting impressions and clicks and now they're not. So yeah, let us look into that and we'll get back
Mhm.
to you in regards to that for sure.
Okay. Yeah, sounds good.
Cool.
All right, that's it from me. I'll just go be like the in touch later today.
Awesome. Yeah, yeah. Please let us know your comments and feedback because yeah, maybe there's an explanation behind it. Maybe there is something we need to look at and yeah, because yeah,
Yep.
I'll wait for your comments.
Um,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Let's have a look into that and take it from there.
Awesome. Great. Thanks, Philippe. Really appreciate
All
it.
right.
Yeah, I hope you
Thank
have a
you.
great weekend and we'll be in touch over email.
Sounds good. Thank you. Take care.
Awesome. Cheers. Have a good one.
Bye.